Looking for your first car, but working with a tight budget? Don't worry. There are reliable and affordable options under $5,000. Getting your first car is an exciting milestone, but choosing the right one, especially on a limited budget, can be challenging. First-time buyers, whether they're students, young adults, or anyone new to car ownership, often have two key priorities: reliability and affordability. Having a dependable vehicle can make all the difference in keeping driving stress-free and affordable, especially for beginners who may have limited experience with car maintenance or repair costs. This is why it's crucial to find a budget-friendly vehicle that won't break the bank and will get you where you need to go without constant issues. In this video, we'll dive into 5 of the best cars for beginners under $5,000. Each car on this list has been carefully selected based on its ability to balance cost, reliability, and maintenance efficiency. By the end, you'll know which models offer the best value, helping you make a smart decision as you search for your perfect first car. To create this list, we used 5 key criteria to make sure each car is ideal for beginner drivers. These cars are known for their longevity and require minimal maintenance, making them less likely to leave new drivers stranded or stuck with expensive repair bills. Each of these models can typically be found on the used car market for $5,000 or less, fitting well within the budget of many first-time buyers. While newer safety technology may not be present in older models, each car on this list includes essential safety features like airbags and basic anti-lock brakes, which are especially important for those new to driving. We focused on cars that are known for good gas mileage to help keep fuel costs manageable, an important consideration for those watching their budgets. Since many of these cars will be driven by beginners, it's essential they're easy to handle, making them forgiving and user-friendly for drivers just getting comfortable behind the wheel. The Honda Civic has long been a favorite for budget-conscious buyers due to its outstanding reliability, fuel efficiency, and ease of maintenance. This model is known to last well over 200,000 miles with minimal issues, making it a solid choice for new drivers who need a car they can count on daily. The Civic offers excellent fuel economy, simple interior controls, and has retained good resale value due to its strong reputation. Its compact design and nimble handling make it easy to maneuver, perfect for beginner drivers. Easy handling, low-cost replacement parts, high fuel efficiency. Older models might lack the latest safety tech, so while it has basics like airbags, newer tech like backup cameras might not be standard. The Toyota Corolla is another top choice, praised for its longevity and low cost of ownership. Known for its solid engine and affordable repairs, the Corolla has a reputation for being one of the most dependable cars you can own. For new drivers, that dependability means peace of mind and fewer repair surprises. The Corolla's engine is highly reliable, offering decent mileage, and parts for repairs are generally easy to find and inexpensive. While the interior is simple, it's straightforward and built to last. A plus for those who prioritize function over luxury. Excellent reliability, great gas mileage, low cost of ownership. The interior design in older models can be quite basic, which may feel outdated to some. The Ford Focus is a popular option for beginner drivers thanks to its balance of performance, compact size, and affordable parts. Known for its solid handling and responsive steering, the Focus is a joy to drive, especially for those just getting comfortable on the road. Additionally, the compact design makes parking and navigating city streets much easier, making it ideal for urban driving. What's more, compared to some competitors, the Focus often comes with lower mileage within this price range, offering even better value. Its compact build, smooth handling, and respectable fuel efficiency make it a well-rounded choice for beginners. Repairs are also relatively affordable, and parts are widely available, making upkeep easier on the wallet. The Focus offers smooth handling and an enjoyable driving experience with affordable maintenance costs. Some models in this range have had reported transmission issues, so it's essential to check the service history and get a mechanic's opinion to avoid potential headaches. The Mazda 3 stands out in this lineup for being one of the most fun and stylish cars to drive, especially at an affordable price point. Known for its sporty handling, the Mazda 3 has a reputation for delivering a more engaging driving experience, making it an appealing choice for young drivers or anyone who wants a little excitement behind the wheel. In addition to its compact design, it has a surprisingly spacious interior, giving it a practical edge for those who need extra space without compromising on style. The Mazda 3's good fuel economy, roomy cabin, and appealing aesthetics make it a strong contender for first-time buyers. Its sporty handling and compact size make it ideal for city driving and weekend getaways alike. Engaging handling, eye-catching design, and good gas mileage make the Mazda 3 a popular choice. Some models may require more minor maintenance over time, but with regular checkups, these issues are manageable. Rounding out the list is the Hyundai Elantra, which combines reliability with affordability, making it a fantastic choice for anyone on a budget. The Elantra has earned a reputation for being a durable vehicle with a low purchase cost and affordable parts, so it's a solid option for first-time buyers. While some models from this period may still have warranty coverage, it's known for having fewer breakdowns and requiring minimal maintenance, giving peace of mind to beginner drivers. With its decent fuel economy, affordable repair costs, and compact yet comfortable interior, the Elantra checks a lot of boxes for anyone looking for a reliable and budget-friendly car. It's highly reliable, budget-friendly, and known for its low maintenance costs. The interior quality may feel basic, so it might not appeal to those looking for a more refined cabin. All 5 of these cars, the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Ford Focus, Mazda 3, and Hyundai Elantra, offer something unique for beginner drivers. Whether you're looking for dependability, sporty handling, or budget friendliness, each model has a reputation for reliability and ease of handling, making any of them a solid choice for a first car under $5,000. When shopping for a used car, remember to prioritize low mileage and a good service history. Make sure to take it for a test drive to get a feel for how it handles and see if it meets your expectations. Also, look for signs of previous damage or excessive wear, as these can affect performance and longevity. Lastly, having a mechanic perform a pre-purchase inspection is a smart investment. They can identify any hidden issues, helping you avoid unexpected repair costs and ensuring that you get the best value for your money. Great first cars are out there, even on a budget, and we hope this list helps you find the perfect match. If you found this list helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car buying tips and affordable finds. Good luck and happy car hunting!